Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a cool animated header for your website using HTML and CSS. Don't worry if you are new to coding, I'll walk through you step by step. By end of this video you will have create a beautiful navigation bar. Now step 1 is create a folder in your desktop. After creating a folder, open in VS Code. After opening VS Code, you create a HTML file or CSS file. Now write a basic HTML code using Shift+1. Now connect CSS file in your below title. Now first create under body, header tag and nav tag. In nav create a UL and in UL create a li. Create a 4 li, which one is home, about, service and contact. Now give him name, class name. Li is a nav item and UL is a nav menu. After applying a name, you go to CSS file, restart the CSS using universal tag, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. And write body code, body, font family Arial, background color white. After creating this, you go to header tag. Give him background color, padding and width. Now select nav tag, display flex, justify content center, align item center. After that select nav menu. In nav menu, list style none, display flex, gap 20 pixel. After that select nav item. Choose color white, font size 1.5 rem, text transform uppercase, padding 10 pixel, transform color 0.3 second is. After that apply animation. Add keyframe and apply your animation name. I choose scale in. In animation we add percentage 0 and 100, which means start point and end point. 0 is our start point and 100 is our end point. Now after that nav item, in nav item we want add animation scale 1 second is out. After that you want add hover on nav item. Apply hover on nav item, color is tomato. Now our hover is work. This is our cool animation. If you like my video, like the video, subscribe the channel and comment it which part is you like.